How to log in into Shopify app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Shopify, or you can move into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. In the address bar, search for Shopify login. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of Shopify. Now, in order for you to log in into your Shopify account, you can see the option of login right over here. Click on it. If you have already logged in into your account, then it will be saved and it will log in into your account automatically. But if it asks you your email address and the password, then simply enter all of your login credentials. Once entered, tap on login and then your account will be logged in. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.